how to make the most amazing, really super delicious homemade strawberry ice cream. And I got these beautiful strawberries from Jeremy Clarkson's Diddley Squat Farm Shop. Well worth a visit, and 10 out of 10 for the strawberries, Jeremy. You're going to need 400 grams of fresh strawberries that have been stemmed, washed, hulled, and you want to make sure they've not been in the fridge. Soft and juicy is the answer. Add 20 grams of caster sugar, stir the sugar around, and then just make sure you leave them out at room temperature for a further 2 or so hours. Then it's 300 millilitres of double cream in a bowl, along with 160 ml of full fat milk. It has to be full fat for this to work. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then the remaining 150 grams of caster sugar. Stir it round and again place it in the fridge for around about 2 hours. Now, once these strawberries have softened, you need to sort of pulp them down. You can do this by hand if you've got a masher, but I'm just using the blender. Just blend it down until it is fairly smooth, but I still like those pulpy bits in it. Then you're going to take the cream mixture out of the fridge and add in the strawberries and mix it round. It will be a real nice pale pink colour. Now, if you've got really rubbish strawberries, here's a hack. Use 2 tablespoons of this. But Jeremy's are very good strawberries, so it wasn't needed. Now, I know a few of you are going to say that you don't have an ice cream churning machine. So what you do is you get your tub that you're going to put your ice cream mixture in. And this is quite a simple way. You will add your ice cream mixture and then you'll pop it in the freezer. And then sort of every hour or so, you're just going to stir it. And you're going to have to do that a few times. So that is one way of doing it. But I've got the big beast, the Cuisinart. This is very old, but very reliable. And all I do is I place that into my Cuisinart ice cream machine. And it will take around about 50 minutes, sometimes longer. It all depends, of course, how long you have left that mixture cooling in the fridge. If you leave it overnight, it will take even less. Smooth the mixture into the tub, and it always is best after it's had a bit of a freeze. But what a way to use these delicious strawberries. Homemade strawberry ice cream, all made by yourself. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.